Shooting a video can actually be tough and challenging. I won't lie you. Currently, I'm on 18 subscriber, and I remember when I started my first video, it wasn't easy. It took me days. In fact, it took me really hours to be able to shoot one video or to shoot that first video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you five ways in which you can make your YouTube video easy and quick. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to leave a like and a comment. Thank you. The first point is stop waiting for perfect conditions. Perfect conditions will only slow you down, will only hinder you from becoming who you are supposed to be. Stop wait. When I mean perfect conditions, I mean like you want a good camera, you want to gain good editing skills or good lighting. Stop waiting for that. With just your telephone camera and your natural light, you can shoot. With just your CapCut, you can edit. So stop waiting for the perfect time. The real problem is not being perfect, is starting and staying consistent. If you can be able to shoot and stay consistent with time, you're going to get to a level where you feel like you're actually doing it real good and perfect. So don't always wait for perfect conditions. Start. That's the real problem, and that is the real solution. The second point is choose fast video format. Do not go as a small creator and choose videos that are actually hard to shoot or hard to edit. For example, as a small creator, videos that you can actually pick are like talking directly to the camera, screen recording, and voice over videos using images or screenshot. Do not go and take long videos or videos that will actually take you time to shoot, like movies and all the lights. I think these are some of the few videos that as a small creator you can actually start with. And with that, you can be able to sit and shoot as many videos as you can. The third point is set limit for each step. What do I mean by set limit for each step? If you can program yourself that, okay, I know I have to think of an idea, I have to shoot, and I have to think of an idea, shoot, edit, and then I upload. Program yourself. Give, let's say, 15 minutes for your video ideas, 30 minutes to shoot, and 1 hour to edit. This program your mind and makes works easier. It stop wastage of time, and it also makes you to do it fast because your mind is already programmed that you have just this particular time limit for this particular process. With that, you can be able to shoot your videos as fast as possible as you can because you are already communicating with the mind and it's already programmed. The fourth point is record in one take. I know this can really be hard, but if you can master this particular fourth point, you're going to know or you're going to see that at the point you actually shooting videos really fast and quick. When I mean by record in one take, that's to say whenever you are shooting a video and you find yourself and you make a mistake, don't stop, don't post, or don't say let me stop and go back. Just continue shooting, and when you're done, you can edit those parts and remove them. Remove those parts that you make mistake. Sometimes if you can even leave small mistakes there, it's going to make you really seem casual, real, and keeps people watching. So it's not all about being too perfect. So whenever, if you can master recording in one take, you're going to find yourself, you feel like, okay, I really want to make videos, or I really want to make as many videos as I can. And the last one is what I actually practice the most, which is batch your content. This one is very, very good because you don't know what can happen the next minute. When I batch your content means shoot in bulk or shoot as many content at the same time or the same moment as you can. Whenever you sit to shoot a video, don't just shoot one video because you're supposed to post just one video for that day. If you want to actually be consistent, whenever you sit to shoot at least 3 videos. Edit all those 3 videos and upload them at once. Do not shoot 3 videos, edit one and upload that particular one. Shoot 3 videos, edit 3 videos and upload those 3 videos. It makes works really, really easier for you. And this come he we and we thereby come to the end of our video. Thank you. And if you have any question as a small YouTuber, please do leave it in the comment section. I'll read all your comments and I'll reply all your comments. Thank you.